Dangbei launches DBOX02 Pro 4000 laser projector with Google TV and native Netflix support. Dangbei has introduced the DBOX02 Pro, a new 4000 laser projector designed to deliver a premium home entertainment experience with smart features and a refined physical build. It runs on Google TV and comes with native Netflix certification, eliminating the need for any external dongles or workarounds. Dangbei DBOX02 Pro specifications. The DBOX02 Pro features Dangbei's LaserVibe light engine, which delivers 2000 ISO lumens of brightness for clear viewing in well-lit environments. It supports 4000 resolution at 3840260 pixels, with HDR10+, HELG, and a 108% Rec. 709 color gamut. This combination ensures vibrant visuals with accurate color reproduction across a wide range of content and lighting conditions. For setup, the projector includes the company's Instampro AI image system. This suite of tools handles autofocus, keystone correction, screen alignment, obstacle detection, brightness optimization, and eye protection, all in real time and without manual adjustment. Physically, the projector includes a carbon steel pivot stand that allows 360 rotation and 120 tilt. This design makes it easy to adjust the viewing angle without requiring a ceiling mount or tripod. The device supports projection sizes from 40 inches up to 300 inches. Talking about audio, it is handled by two 12W speakers housed in a 600cc acoustic chamber. The system supports Dolby Audio, DTS, Virtual X, and HDMI IRC for home theater setups. It also offers Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity for pairing with wireless headphones or speakers. On the software side, the projector runs Google TV, giving users access to over 700,000 titles and more than 10,000 apps, including Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and YouTube. It also comes with a Bluetooth remote that features voice control and dedicated shortcut buttons for smooth and intuitive navigation. For connectivity, the DBOX02 Pro includes dual HDMI to 0.1 ports, USB 3.0 and 2.0, LAN, S, or DIF, and a 3.5mm audio jack. It also supports Wi-Fi 6 for stable 4000 streaming and outputs 1080p at 240 Hz with MEMC for smooth gameplay. Pricing and availability. The Dangbei DBOX02 Pro is now available in the US, UK, and EU via the company's official website and Amazon. It is priced at $1,599 in the US, with a limited time launch offer of $1,219. The early bird price is £1,187 in the UK and €1,424 in Europe.